Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best slow cookers in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best slow cookers in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Elite Gourmet MST 250 XS Electric Slow Cooker, effortless meals with premium convenience. The Elite Gourmet MST 250 XS Electric Slow Cooker makes home cooking effortless, delivering delicious, slow-cooked meals with minimal effort. Featuring a 1.5-quart ceramic pot, it's perfect for entrees, sauces, stews, dips, and more. The adjustable temperature control allows precise cooking, ensuring tender results every time. Designed for convenience, the Dishwasher-Safe ceramic crock and glass lid make cleanup a breeze. Its compact size is ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or offices, while still offering generous serving portions. Whether you're simmering a hearty stew, melting cheese for dips, or keeping side dishes warm, the MST 250 XS combines functionality and style. The durable construction and sleek design make it a must-have for busy households. Enjoy restaurant-quality meals at home with the Elite Gourmet Slow Cooker, where convenience meets gourmet flavor. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 6-quart Slow Cooker, effortless meals with easy cleanup, 33,665 G, silver. The Hamilton Beach 6-quart slow cooker makes home cooking simple, with 3 convenient settings, low, high, and keep warm, for perfectly cooked soups, stews, roasts, and more. Its durable stoneware crock distributes heat evenly, while the tight-fitting glass lid locks in moisture and flavor. Designed for convenience, the dishwasher-safe crock and lid allow for quick cleanup, saving you time. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for family meals or entertaining, and the classic silver finish fits any kitchen decor. Whether you're simmering a hearty chili or keeping dips warm for parties, this slow cooker delivers hands-off cooking with reliable results. Perfect for busy households, it's an essential tool for delicious, stress-free meals. Key features: Heavy checkmark 3 cooking settings, low-high keep warm. Heavy checkmark dishwasher-safe stoneware crock and glass lid. Heavy checkmark 6-quart capacity for family-sized meals. Heavy checkmark durable, easy-to-clean design. Upgrade your kitchen with the Hamilton Beach 6-quart slow cooker, where convenience meets delicious home cooking. Number 3. Sunvivi Small Slow Cooker 4 Cutie, compact and convenient cooking. The Sunvivi Small Slow Cooker 4 Cutie is the perfect kitchen companion for effortless meals. With its 3 heating settings, low, high, warm, you can easily simmer, cook, or keep dishes at the ideal temperature. The removable 4 Cutie ceramic pot ensures even heat distribution and is dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Designed for convenience, this mini food warmer features a stainless steel exterior and a transparent glass lid, allowing you to monitor cooking without lifting it. Its compact size is great for small households, dorm rooms, or offices, making it ideal for soups, stews, dips, and more. Durable and stylish in sleek black, the Sunvivi slow cooker combines functionality with ease. Whether you're meal prepping or keeping food warm for gatherings, this dishwasher-safe appliance simplifies cooking while saving time and energy. Perfect for anyone who loves set-it-and-forget-it meals. Number 4. GreenLife 6 Cutie Ceramic Non-Stick Slow Cooker, healthy, convenient and versatile. The GreenLife 6 Cutie Ceramic Non-Stick Slow Cooker makes family meals effortless and healthy. Featuring a PFAS-Free, non-stick ceramic pot, it ensures safe, toxin-free cooking while allowing easy cleanup. The removable pot is stovetop safe, so you can sear ingredients before slow cooking for richer flavors. With a programmable digital timer, set your cooking time and let the slow cooker do the work, perfect for busy schedules. The auto keep warm function ensures your food stays ready until serving. Plus, the 6-quart capacity is ideal for family dinners or meal prepping. Designed for convenience, the dishwasher-safe pot and lid make cleanup a breeze. Whether you're making soups, stews, roasts, or desserts, the GreenLife slow cooker delivers delicious, healthy meals with minimal effort. Upgrade your kitchen with this eco-friendly, versatile, and user-friendly appliance today. Key features: heavy checkmark PFAS-free ceramic nonstick pot. Heavy checkmark stovetop Sear capable and dishwasher safe. Heavy checkmark 6 QD capacity for family meals. Heavy checkmark programmable timer and keep warm function. Heavy checkmark BPA-free materials for healthier cooking. Number 5. 2 QD small slow cooker, compact, efficient and easy to clean. Upgrade your cooking experience with this 2 QD small slow cooker, perfect for sauces, stews, dips, and more. Featuring 3 adjustable temperature settings, low, high, warm, it allows precise control for perfectly cooked meals every time. The upgraded ceramic pot ensures even heat distribution while reducing nutrient loss, keeping your food flavorful and healthy. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup effortless, simply wipe or rinse after use. Designed with a sleek stainless steel exterior and vibrant blue finish, this slow cooker blends style with functionality. Its compact size is ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or office use. Whether you're simmering a cheese dip, cooking a hearty stew, or keeping dishes warm for parties, this slow cooker delivers convenience and performance. Enjoy delicious, slow-cooked meals with minimal effort. Key features: heavy checkmark 2 QD capacity. Heavy checkmark 3 temperature settings. Heavy checkmark upgraded ceramic pot. Heavy checkmark easy to clean. Heavy checkmark stylish stainless steel design. Perfect for small households and effortless cooking.